Welcome back to KILN News Channel 546 at 5. I'm Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca, and you're taking a live look from Carmel. The Pac Rep webcam. The sun has just set over the beautiful blue Pacific Ocean, capping off a beautiful day here where many of us saw high temperatures in the 70s. Very warm readings for this time of year and close to some record highs in some areas. And if you like today's weather, you'll probably like tomorrow's as well, as temperatures are expected to remain quite warm for this time of year here for the next 24 hours at least. Things are going to change a little bit on Tuesday with a weather system passing through. But right now, high pressure is in control over the west. We see a big clear spot in the clouds. Storm systems continue to be pushed to the Pacific Northwest and even up into Canada. This is Tuesday's weather system right here, but we're only going to catch the very tail end of that late morning on Tuesday. It's going to bring some clouds through and some cooler temperatures, but I don't expect any precipitation at this time. If you're heading up to the Pacific Northwest, you might encounter some rain in the lower elevations and snow up high, but generally speaking, things pretty quiet across the region. And here locally, temperatures are the big story right now. I mean, it was nice and warm today. It'll be a cool night tonight, though. Once the sun goes down, the air has dried out significantly. We've been clear throughout the day today, outside of a little patch of low clouds in Priest Valley in southern Monterey County overnight. And then we had some fog down by the lakes this morning, like San Antonio, Nacimiento, and then downstream of there toward Bradley. But otherwise, mostly clear skies expected to continue tonight. Temperatures probably down into the upper 40s for cities around the bay and even some 30s for our inland valleys as we wake up tomorrow morning. But this is Futurecast, looking at mostly clear skies throughout the day to tomorrow, I should say. Really all the way through sunset tomorrow, looking at mostly clear skies. After sunset, we may see some high clouds push in from the south, and then into Tuesday morning, the clouds will come in from the northwest with that weak weather system. That's 9 a.m. on Tuesday, and we see this patch of clouds coming over the bay. And while it's possible we might get a little drizzle out of it, I think things are going to stay pretty dry with that system. So let's focus on your Monday temperatures. Maybe you have the day off, maybe you have the whole week off, and this is what it's going to be like tomorrow across the region. Lows in the 30s in the San Lorenzo Valley and Scotts Valley, but highs back in the mid to upper 70s tomorrow. Santa Cruz mid 70s, a beautiful day on the beaches on the north side of the bay. Even Bonnie Doon in the upper 60s for your high tomorrow afternoon. East shore of the bay looking pretty comfortable as well, with 70s to Marina to Aptos, upper 70s getting close to 80 in Watsonville. I've got Salinas at 80 tomorrow. The record's 86, so I don't think that'll be broken. 74 in Hollister tomorrow, and look at the lows though. A cold start to the day with some upper 30s in our northern valleys. Over to the peninsula tomorrow. Lows will be on the warmer side because we still have some offshore winds, so that's going to keep things pretty mild in places like Pebble Beach, Carmel Highlands, Carmel with 50s for your lows. We'll drop down to 48 in Monterey, but the high close to 80 again tomorrow. And again, that could be close to record territory as well. In Carmel, you're close to 80 tomorrow as well. Down south, we'll see upper 70s in Carmel Valley and a string of 80-degree temperature readings in the Salinas Valley. But notice some of our southern valleys, patchy frost possible in the San Antonio Valley. You might even get some in Bradley or Parkfield with those lows in the low 30s tomorrow morning. So chilly mornings, but warm afternoons. Now, as I mentioned, temperatures cooling down quite a bit on Wednesday, or Tuesday, I should say. We're going to drop at least 10 degrees on the coast, maybe some more in some areas. And then it's going to be slow warm up back to Thanksgiving with highs expected to be above normal all the way through Thanksgiving weekend. It really looks like a nice forecast. I had to up my temperatures up quite a bit from where I had them a couple days ago before I had my weekend. So we're gonna be a little bit warmer outside of a couple days. Tuesday and Wednesday looking a little cooler, but not cold. Inland areas also gonna get some wind over the hills again Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Your highs stay in the upper 60s, but then by Thanksgiving, you're back in the 70s. The one caveat to that, Phil, the low temperatures will be pretty chilly this week. So if you're standing out in the middle of the night waiting for a Black Friday deal, even though it's going to be nice, comfortable during the afternoons, it's going to be chilly.